RAM prices are about to drain your wallet, and there is actually a wild reason behind it. Only a handful of companies in the entire world make RAM chips. We are talking about three major players controlling basically the whole global supply: Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron. That is it. When these companies decide to cut production, prices shoot up almost instantly because there is simply no competition to keep things balanced. But here is where it gets even crazier. The AI boom is making things so much worse. Data centers are gobbling up massive amounts of high-end memory to run AI models, which pulls supply away from regular consumer products like your PC upgrades. So when you feel the pain at checkout buying RAM, just know you are basically competing against billion-dollar AI companies for the same chips.